Hello everyone, I'm SKC Kritika Sharma. So today I'm gonna tell about our digestive system. In our digestive system, first part consists is our mouth. Mouth, it is the first part, and as we all know, we use our mouth to engulf our food. So by mouth, this is our food particle. We engulf it in our mouth. Here in our mouth, there are many parts, as like teeth, tongue, which broke down our food into smaller particles. Then also the part of salivary gland started. It releases saliva, which is an enzyme which participate in our digestive system. So the saliva in our mouth does the partially digestion of carbohydrates in our mouth. And then if we talk about the next step, then it is epiglottis. Epiglottis is a sphincter-like structure that is present between our mouth and our esophagus, which allows the food particle to come in esophagus. Then after epiglottis, our food travel into esophagus. Note my words, no digestion takes place in esophagus. Then after that, our food enters in stomach. In our stomach also releases many enzymes and which broke down the food into smaller particles. And remember that stomach not wholly digests the whole particles. Some particles of food digest here, then our food travels here. Which part is this? As we all know, this is the starting point of small intestine. Here our liver, and this is called gallbladder, which also participates a great role. These releases bile juice, which does our food in basic in nature. And when the bile juice from our liver, or we can say gallbladder, comes in small intestine, and remember here the medium of our food is acidic. So after this, our food becomes neutral when it comes in the first part that we call duodenum. Then our food travels into the next part of our small intestine, that's called jejunum. The coiled structure of this small intestine consists jejunum. Here the complete digestion of food takes place, and there are many finger-like projections that are present in our small intestine, which allows the surface area and absorption of food in more and more amount. Then the food travels into the last part of our small intestine, that is called ileum, as you all know. Then through ileum is the part which is the connecting point of small intestine and large intestine. After that, our food enters in this. As we all know, what is this? This is the large intestine. Okay, the diameter of the large intestine is more than small intestine. That's why it is called large intestine, but it is smaller in length than small intestine. In large intestine, the absorption of water takes place and the food becomes as in the form of pieces. Then it went into the rectum where the storage of our food takes place, and then it removes through anus. And let me tell you a good thing, that here is also a sphincter-like structure that is called anal sphincter, which allows our food to travel through rectum to anus. Thank you.